Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy MB, ready to do the daily breakdown of the S&P 500 on the futures market. Today is Tuesday, April 30th, 2024, the last day in April, and the market finally decided to pick a direction, and that was down. So we pretty much retraced this whole earnings candle from Microsoft and Google. We even got below that, so we're probably going to retest this demand area, and we'll see if we continue to go down or if we get a bounce from there. But let me break down the best plays of the day. I'm going to start with this 15-minute chart and show you the pre-market session. So pre-market, there was this support level here, and then at 7:30 there was news, and so obviously the market didn't like it. We ended up closing below this level, and then the next time we retested this previous support level, it acted as resistance. So that was play number one. So if I go to a 5-minute chart, it was at 8:45. So 15 minutes after the open, we retested this area, rejected it, and it gave you a second opportunity about 20 minutes later to get in. So if you get in short here, it was literally down to the tick. There was absolutely no drawdown. And then it was about a 15-point move and maybe like 30 minutes after that. Play number two is pretty similar. So another support level. And so it looked like we were going to retrace this entire news candle before this level got invalidated here. So this candle actually broke below before closing above it. So this level was still valid. But like I said, it got invalidated here. A very nasty rejection below it. And then whenever we retested it, that was your opportunity to take it short. And so I like to use 5-point stops. So even though there was a bit of drawdown here, we would have never gotten stopped out with a 5-point stop. And then it ended up reversing and going back down. So then the target was this demand zone here. So obviously we kept going below that and we formed a lower low. And then that's when I noticed another trend. So I'm going to invert this chart. All right, so the chart's now inverted. And so everything's backwards. But essentially, I noticed that we were kind of in this trend day. So here's that new low, and we were basically just holding the 9 moving average the whole time. And then whenever the 9 moving average broke, the 30 moving average held. Now we did break the 30 briefly before getting, oops, fucking fly. Fuck off, fly, for I'll fucking kill you. Bitch ass fly in my house. But if you looked at the 15-minute chart, it was a little bit clearer to see. So I'm going to invert this one as well. So on the 15-minute chart, you can tell that there was this bull flag. But like I said, the chart is inverted, so it's basically a bear flag. So I'm going to go to a 1-hour chart for continuity's sake because it was even easier to spot out this trend. So play number 3 was a break and retest. So we have a resistance level, we get a close above that, and then whenever we retest that area, it acts as resistance. So I'm going to flip it back to the normal side. So support level, we break below that, we retest support, it acts as resistance. So that was play number 3. So I'm going to flip the 5-minute chart back to the normal side. So like I said, it was easier to see on a 1-hour chart. And so although we have all these closes below it, the hour chart was the time frame where you took this play. And so once we got a clear break and close below it, the first time we retested was here at 97.5. And it was another play that was to the tick, no drawdown. And from here, we had a 10-point drop in about 15 minutes. And I had a friend who caught this nasty sell-off. I was already out of this play once this 10-point move happened. But he ended up catching this end-of-day dump. So I wish I ended up holding because I could have caught a 40-point move. But there was really no need to. It's just something that I got to work on. I ended up getting out like right here. And so, I could have targeted this demand zone. And obviously we broke below that. So I probably would have been out here. I could have caught maybe 20 points, but I wouldn't have caught this whole move. So you had to be a ballsy mofo to catch this play. But that's pretty much it. 3 really good sit-ups. We have FOMC news tomorrow, Jerome Powell speaking. So tomorrow should be a pretty volatile day, jam-packed with some plays that we can take. So finally getting some excitement back in the market. No more boring stuff. I hate that. And by the way, I did kill that fly, bitch-ass fly. All right, catch you tomorrow. I love you.